Hey guys, welcome back. So we're up in Maine again. Here's the deal, we already started working. But what we're doing right now is we're kind of just starting to take down an area that's the flattest so that we can get a driveway that we can drive out to the campsite. So that's the mission for this trip. So might not get it done because there's like a lot of stumps and stuff that we have to rip out, but we'll get it opened up so it'll be ready to get a driveway. So this is it. That's what we're working on. So just keep watching, guys. Alright guys, so before we go any further, I thought we should touch a little bit about how we're actually put a driveway here. So, in that low area where we start to go down to the campsite, that's full of ferns. And what that actually is a natural kind of river. So it only really floods when it rains, but it does get really wet and mucky. So we have to figure out a way to get over this. Now we were thinking maybe stones. That would be a lot of rock and it'd be a lot of, stuff that we don't necessarily have right on hand. So our thought is to do something that's called a corduroy road. It's basically a road made out of logs or branches. They can be done by putting two logs the opposite direction down first and then laying all the other ones on top of it. It can be done by just putting them right in the ground. You can lash the boards together, but basically it's just to create a surface that you can drive across but that will also let the water flow. So these were extensively used in the American Civil War. They were also used by the Germans and the Soviets during World War II, which I'm actually assuming that probably the Americans used it during World War II as well. So we're just thinking that we are gonna use a bunch of the trees we cut down and do one of these roads. We're not sure which way we're gonna do it yet. You can put down fabric to help stabilize it, or you can not put down fabric. There's a bunch of different things you can do. So we're going to be trying to figure out how to do that. But regardless, this is what we think we're going to try. So keep watching. Alright guys, so we're kind of getting to the end of our trip this time. If you can hear the lawnmower, we're just trying to burn off the gas so it doesn't stink up the car. But we got a lot done. My mom was clearing over in this area just to get it. We're gonna try to do it like a campsite over here. Like I said, is what we've been trying to do. So over here and back here is hopefully gonna be a campsite. Now, what me and my dad have been working on, we want to try and put like a driveway right here, like I was saying at the beginning of the video. So we're just kind of working on getting it clear over here. So I'm just gonna walk down the path, kind of show you what's up. Cleared all the small trees out around here and down here, which I'm gonna show you. All this down here is now like very clear, so we'll be able to start getting our thoughts together on some sort of driveway. So we got this done on this trip, and hopefully soon we'll be coming up here again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time up here in Maine. Bye guys.